I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling PowerShare on your S24. Swipe down twice and tap the PowerShare icon. Make sure the phone has at least 20% battery and the other device supports Qi wireless charging. Once done, remove any thick cases and clean both surfaces so coils align. You'll hold the S24 so its rear center contacts the receiver's back. This is where the coil sits. By doing these steps first, you avoid wasted time and get a stable connection right away. Next, place the devices back-to-back with the S24's camera area roughly centered on the other device's wireless charging coil. You'll feel when they sit together. Once placed, check the receiver's screen for a charging icon and the S24's notification that PowerShare is active. If the indicator doesn't appear, slightly slide or rotate the phone to find the sweet spot. Small adjustments matter because coil alignment and distance determine transfer efficiency. Meanwhile, avoid metal or cards between devices for best results. To finish, stop PowerShare when the other device is full or when your S24 approaches 10%. Open Quick Settings and tap the icon off. If charging fails, restart your S24 first and then try toggling PowerShare again, because software resets often fix handshake issues. Also try removing the case or repositioning devices. Foreign objects and magnets block coils. If you still have problems, inspect for debris and ensure both devices support compatible Qi profiles before repeating the alignment steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.